Hi, we're back again for video number 3 today of our holiday side. This is what we call corn casserole. It's not the corn pudding that most people know with the cornbread mixed inside. This is a casserole that's made with shoe peg corn. So inside this pan, I have a whole stick of salted butter, a 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and I'm melting them all together. I kind of got a head start a little bit earlier, and so here we are. We are almost good to go. We're going to let this melt and not burn. You can do this in the microwave. I have done it both ways. I prefer it on the stove where I can keep an eye on it and I can mix it a little bit better. This recipe is so easy. This came to us from one of my cousin's weddings, I believe. I can't remember if it was the rehearsal dinner or the reception, but we had it and we went crazy. We had never had it before, and I think it was my aunt who called and got the recipe from somebody and shared it with all of us, spread it through the family. Okay, that's going pretty good. Next, we're gonna add, I use the 7-ounce can because I like a lot of the chili flavor, but they're not hot chilies. It's just green chilies. You can use the 7-ounce or the 4-ounce. It's up to you. And add that. It was drained. I drained the chilies just a little bit. We'll add that to that cheese mixture. I'm gonna turn my heat down a little bit more. And then once that's come together really well, you add 2 cans of white shoe peg corn. Now, there was a time where we couldn't find this one time and we used just the plain white sweet corn and it worked just fine, but we prefer the shoe peg corn like the recipe calls for. So we have 2 of these cans. And they're not drained. There's hardly any liquid in there at all. So don't worry about draining it. Put that in there. A little pepper, just a little. And a little salt, not much, because you know canned vegetables are salty. And mix this all together. It comes together really quickly. It is easily doubled if you're having a big Christmas or a big Thanksgiving with more than just your immediate family. You need a bigger side. You can double this really easily. And from there, we are going to take it, turn the heat off, and put it in our pan that I've already sprayed with vegetable spray. And I have a spatula mix and scraper, I think is what it's called. It's from Pampered Chef. It will get every bit of cake batter or anything that you use it on. It will take this off. It is silicone. It dishwasher safe. It washes up really well, and it will, not melt too much. I've never put it in a lot of heat though, but it will take every scrape of stuff out of this pan. And I will have a link in the description to Amazon so you can buy your own. They come in 2 different sizes. I have both sizes. I really like the Pampered Chef products. I am not sponsored by Pampered Chef at all, but if you can find a Pampered Chef person, you can buy from them, or you can buy on Amazon anything from Pampered Chef. And so it makes it really easy if you're not in an area that has this product or has this company. There we go. Spread out, good to go. So we're gonna take both casseroles at this time and put them in the oven at 350 degrees and bake them until they were bubbly, and that's it. You're good to go for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, or any family you get together, or for, like my family tonight, we're gonna enjoy this as our weeknight dinner. So we're gonna put this in the oven and we'll see you soon. They are bubbling around the edges. Good to go. Okay, our side dishes are out of the oven. Our chicken is finished. We have a complete meal here ready to plate up. I'm hoping that these side dishes become a family favorite of yours, just like it is my family. And that may you have a great holiday season and enjoy these side dishes any time of year. So let's plate up and let's try it. A little chicken. Some corn. It's gonna be a little runny, but that's okay. That's the way it's supposed to be. And a little bit of spinach. Maybe a little bit more, because these are my absolute favorite dishes. Now for the corn. This is the recipe that you need from now on. A few canned ingredients and you're good to go. A few things out of the pantry, a few things out of the refrigerator, and you have a corn that is not just a plain canned corn recipe. Your friends, your relatives, everybody will be happy this Thanksgiving, this Christmas, and all the year long if you prepare these dishes, and you will have your family literally eating out of the palm of your hand. We hope you have a great holiday season, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.